hope my camera makes it the whole way home without dying. I should be good, but we'll find out. Oh, actually, there might be one of those car shows happening today. It's Thursday. I just realized. I might be a little late, though. So we'll see. But I'll head there. If there's one there, I'll definitely stop. But like I said, it might be a little late now. It's probably almost 7 o'clock. Alright, so it will be... Geez, I'm having a hard time talking today. I am sorry. I'm coughing. I'm stuttering. Do I pull in just in case there is one? Because if I don't pull in and then there's one, I'm going to see it too late. Oh, boy. I can't tell. I really hope there is one. Still going on. There is. Yep. That's cool. Well, I don't think I have any way of getting there now without doing a full turnaround. Hey, excuse me, sir. I'm going to be getting in this lane. I was going to do it. Oh, that's unfortunate. I should have done it. But hey, surprise car meet video. There we go. Wasn't my plan, but I'll definitely do it. After we sit at this light for like 5 minutes, they're going to get to go after they go. So it's their turn, then their turn, then should be our turn. I'm going to go there, turn around, go to the gas station, turn around again. Then I'll be going the right way. I'm going to hope there's a way out of here without stopping at the light. I think I should have kept going down that way. Ah, Scheiße. Oh, maybe. No, we chilling. If this person decides what they're doing. Yeah. There's a Why? The only thing I don't like about doing these videos like this is all the people staring at me. Ooh. I like this Camaro. Looks nice. Corvette, older Camaros, another Camaro, Corvette. That thing. I don't know my older cars. More Corvettes. Another Camaro. Oldsmobile. Another Vette. Nice Mustang GT. Another GT. That's a California special right there. Challenger. Why do we got a WRX? Clearly a Plymouth. I really wanted to park my bike in there, not gonna lie. It looked fun. Ooh, an older Mach 1. I didn't know they made them this long ago. This one looks nice. Looks real nice. I like it. Cobra Jet. Interesting. wish there were like supercar meets near me. And by that I meant like supercars, not super meets, you know. Oh, shows are in my area that I know about, but they aren't. I'd love to race some of those newer Mustangs and that Camaro. This nice little mix-up as well. I don't know why I said mix-up. Like change of pace, change of scenery. Nice little car show. Why not? Yeah, I really wish there was like bigger ones that had like Lambos and McLarens and Porsche, stuff like that, but as far as I'm aware, the only one that was close by was an hour one way, and then they're always on weekends, obviously, which I work. So I don't foresee myself riding to one of those anytime soon, unfortunately. Go home, start editing these, maybe watch a little bit of, actually I'm gonna watch a little bit of the Western Conference final, right, for hockey. Stars Oilers might be the last game tonight, we'll see, but gonna watch some of that and go to the gym. Or not. Glad I got to go riding again. It's a great day for it. It's not too hot. Traffic wasn't too bad. Had a little car show. Beautiful day. Cloudy but no rain. I'll take it. Both on their phone. Nice. Passenger, obviously fine. That's fine. But the driver, too? Nah. At least one of them should be paying attention. Ew. Ew, look. Oh. Ew. Ew. Looked like Johnny Sins was driving it, but ew. I really go for some ice cream right now, to be honest. Sounds pretty nice. But I'm not going to do that. Just going to go home and drink some more water. I'm going to wrap this one up here. I'll keep recording until I get home just in case, but I can't think of anything else to say, so I'll wrap this one up here. Thank you for watching, as always. I really do appreciate it. I'm glad I still have my YouTube at least, and I plan on continuing to make videos the same amount. I'll try to do more, but I've just been very busy lately and I still have a lot that needs done, but I'm going to try to work around that. I've got a lot happening next month where I'm not going to be able to ride for like 3 weeks, so there's definitely going to be a gap in the videos again, but at least I know about this one ahead of time. I'm going to try my best to avoid it, but it's not looking too good as of right now. So just a heads up about that. But thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. And my gas light just came on.